Welcome. You are watching the beginning of one of the online sections of Architecture or Landscape Architecture 563, Research Methods in Designed Environments. This is the first time that this course has been taught online. The course has been offered in our departments for over 30 years. But up until now, it's always been in a classroom setting, face-to-face. So this is going to be a new experience for me. I've taught the course much of those 30 years, 35 years. I think it began in about 1976, actually. And I'll be learning about this new medium along with you. You should understand that this isn't an infomercial or it's not entertainment. I am not David Letterman or Jay Leno or even a newscaster. I will probably talk about the same as if you were in the classroom. I'll probably stumble on my words a couple of times. I may have to cough because my throat gets dry. It's reality TV. And we'll see how it goes. I think that actually it will go quite well. I'm very optimistic. I think that there are going to be some advantages to this format, certainly for you. You're going to have the ability to time the reception, that is, when you watch the modules, when you watch the kind of lecture modules such as this, you're going to have direct access online to those modules. You'll have direct access to all of the assigned readings, and you'll have direct access to all of the online quizzes and the submission of any required products. Also, there'll be discussion groups, and these discussion groups will occur online, either as discussion boards where you will type things in, or perhaps in real-time discussion sections. We'll talk more about that later. All of you have learned how to log into Compass, I think. There was an email sent to you describing that, giving you the instructions. So you should have logged into the course, and that probably is how you're able to see me right now. So with that, let me begin to tell you a little bit more about myself, my background, and then a little bit about what we expect to do in this class. You'll see that everything is pretty well spelled out on the Compass website, but I want to just go over that and some of the logic for why it is that way. So, I have degrees in architecture and urban planning. I've been working in design research since about 1972. Not entirely, but off and on. During that time, projects that I was affiliated with as a researcher, as a co-principal investigator, as a principal investigator, have received awards. Awards from the National Endowment for the Arts, awards from the American Society of Landscape Architects, a very good architectural journal which has now been folded into AIA Journal, I think. Most of that work has been in the area of housing. I've been very interested in housing, environments for low-income people, multifamily environments, correctional environments, health environments, but the residential environment. A lot of the time has been spent thinking about the concept of resident satisfaction and how to use that in a theoretical way to understand what's important to people and to use that information or to make that information available for design and planning decisions. You can find out more about me, I guess, on a website, brc.arch.illinois.edu/JIMAND. So now let's move on.